So I'm going to show you how to install APK files on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Now, the first thing you need to do is get that APK file on your tablet. Now, I'm not going to show you how to get it. There are plenty of websites that offer APK files, or maybe someone sent it to you either via QuickShare or WhatsApp or any other service. I don't care where you got your APK file. I'm just going to show you how to install it. So before you install an APK file, you need to go to settings. So let's just go to the main settings page. So if you go into settings and then under settings, go to security and privacy, tap on that, and then go to auto blocker and disable this. Because if you don't disable auto blocker, it won't allow you to install unknown apps. And then you want to go to more security settings and then go to install unknown apps. And then you want to enable the installation or how you intend to install that unknown app, that APK file. So if you're going to install it directly from Chrome, maybe you downloaded it and you want to install it directly from Chrome, you enable this. If you want to install it from Google Drive, you enable that. From Gmail, whatever the method you want to install it from. Now, since mine is already downloaded, it's going to be in my Files app, so I'm going to enable that. And then now I can go to the Files app, find my APK file, tap on it, and then it's going to give me the prompt to install, and I'll just simply go ahead and install. There you go, app installed. I can launch it anytime, and it's always going to be available in my apps screen as an app. So that's basically how to install APK files. So APK files are basically just Android apps that are not in the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching and good luck.